Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your publication theme on Substack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, head to the Substack homepage. Then select the Substack publication you want to customize. After selecting your publication, navigate to the Settings page. This section allows you to manage branding, appearance, and various other features. Once inside Settings, look to the left-hand side and click on Website option. This area contains all the visual customization options for your publication. Within the website section, click on Go to Theme Editor to open the detailed customization panel, where you can adjust individual elements of your publication's look. Here, click on Branding. The first options you will see involve color selection. Start by choosing your web background color, which sets the tone for your entire newsletter. Next, select your accent color to highlight key elements across your publication and create a cohesive visual feel. Once your colors are in place, move on to your fonts. Choose a heading font that makes your title stand out while remaining clean and readable. Then adjust your body font to ensure your main content is comfortable to read for all subscribers. You'll also find settings to choose your link style. After customizing your fonts and link styles, remember to click Save so none of your changes are lost. Now shift your attention to the homepage settings. Here you can adjust your header style so it makes an immediate impact on visitors. You can also change your post layout, whether you prefer a list, grid, or grouped format. Further down, explore the advanced layout options by toggling the available settings. Once you're satisfied with every detail, simply click Save again to finalize your changes, and that's it. So that is how you can change your publication theme on Substack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.